Hello dear followers of Sinrumbo. I know I've been silent for the last few weeks, but I haven't been inactive. We are just back home in Mendoza after our month-long trip to the Atacama region of Argentina. And we've been filming a ton of video clips, recording audio. We've gone to some amazing places, seen some stunning landscapes, wildlife, historical sites. So now starts for me the desk job of editing and putting together a series of videos that you won't want to miss. Another couple of weeks, I'm guessing, until I can release the first episode of the series. So I'm going to ask you to be patient for a little longer. Thank you for watching and following us, and see you very soon in episode 1 of the Atacama region of Argentina.